Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I want to tell you something very exciting, because as you've probably read in the title, there are some big changes coming for the channel, and I wanted to talk to you about that because as you might have noticed, there weren't that many huge projects or videos on the channel, and that will continue for a few weeks because I've got my exams at uni very soon, and I can't do those bigger projects really. So be patient. I've got still a lot more planned for the MRS, and of course I will not only learn for uni, but I will also work on my projects and show you that. For example, to show you a little bit of progress on my one of my mods. As you can see, there's some wiring down there going on, and if we open the hood, I can show you, because I've talked in my previous video, I've talked about this intake temperature sensor that I wanted to integrate in my Raspberry Pi display, and as you can see right here, you've got the wiring already. And the sensor is also put in back there with this newly printed and then with epoxy resin coated like little intake elbow, which the MRS has from the factory. So this is in the progress. It's just the electronics which will take some time, because that's not my area of experience or knowledge, so I have to learn a lot about this stuff, so I will need a little bit more time for that. But funny thing is, I built this pipe, I can put a picture in, to resemble the original pipe, just with a threaded insert at the top where I can screw in the sensor. Yeah, even though I built it to be exactly like the original part, I had to change it up a little bit. I don't know the exact wall thickness, because I can't look all the way or measure into the original part, so I just did it as I was able to. And then in addition to that, the original part has like a little metal insert for this clamp to really clamp onto, and I couldn't do that, so I integrated a little X in the middle with plastic, so this works. And what it has done, I can only assume it's that part, because I've changed nothing else really. The car got a lot more responsive and the rev hang got less, so I don't know exactly what's up with that, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. I mean, the rev hang was something that that wasn't such a cool experience when driving the MRS, but I think it was due to emissions or something. But as it appears, this part changed that a lot. It's a lot more fun to drive now, and works quite well. So I just need to program a little bit and get the Raspberry to talk with the sensor, and then I'll make a video about that. And then we can start some experiments. But yeah, I think I've talked long enough. I wanted to talk about that at the beginning, but now I got carried away, because as you've probably seen in the thumbnail or the title, I don't know how I'm gonna do all of that yet, but I'm going to Japan. I teasered it in a video at the end of last year with my plans for this year. And yeah, today in the morning I got the mail that said you were accepted at the university, or that I got accepted at the university in Chiba is where I'm going. So Chiba, if you don't know, is next to Tokyo. So I'm next to Tokyo in a few months, so that will start in September, end of September roughly, and I will stay in Japan until July 2023, so I think it's 11 months if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm so freaking excited, and that's also why I wanted to make this video, because I will of course try to continue making the videos and everything, but as you probably might expect, I can't take my MRS to Japan, or I could, but I don't need my MRS there. It would be stupid. So there will be no MR2 videos, at least about my MR2. on my MRS because I'm in Japan at starting the end of the year. So my goal or my plan is to really continue making videos. I plan on making a ton of videos in Japan, attending different car shows, maybe also meeting people with other cars, maybe meeting some people from the MRS community in Japan, talking with them about their cars and stuff like that. Just show maybe different togeis and yeah, just experience Japan and really try to deliver my experience that I will gain there. And little addition to the stuff that will hopefully happen in Japan video wise or car wise. You know, there might be cars for sale in Japan and I might have saved up some money, so yeah, you can put one and one together and think what I'm meaning with that. But yeah, if everything works out, I'm planning to buy a cool car in Japan and later importing it to Germany, but that's in the future. I'm not sure if that will work out, but it is my plan, and I've saved up money, and I'm additionally saving up more money and everything I can do to make that work. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see that. I'm very excited, and yeah, let's continue. Yeah, really excited because it's been a dream it's been my dream for quite some time now, and it finally happened. And I think I can't bring across how excited I really am, but yeah, there will be changes coming for the channel. I will try to work out the way, because also why there are less videos in the last days or weeks and in the following weeks is also because I'm really focusing on my online shop. If you don't know my online shop, it's roadstars automotive.de, or also on Etsy. I sell this stuff over Etsy, but I have my own website where everything is there's a fly flying around the lens. But yeah, I have my own website where everything is linked and described and everything, where I sell, for example, shifter covers like that. This is the carbon version, but I sell the plastic version of it. And what else do I sell? The engine mounts for the MRS, or the rear engine mount, sway bar bushings, and a lot of stuff like that. These stickers I also sell on the website. So I'm really focusing on getting new products out. I'm also working on getting these gauge pods on the shop. So I'm really working hard for all of that, and that's what's taking most of my time next to uni, or yeah, at the moment. So yeah, be patient with the videos, maybe, but I will still try to post roughly once a week, hopefully, and yeah, so I would say stay tuned, and I don't have anything else to say. I don't want to stretch the video out too much. I mean, we're at 8 minutes already, so yeah, I would say thanks for watching, and if you want to see stuff from Japan, MRS content from Japan, and also general stuff, feel free to subscribe. We're very happy to welcome you as a subscriber, and if you want MR2 parts or MRS parts, feel free to check out the website. Link is in the description. And yeah, also try to or working on several RX-8 parts. If you maybe have an RX-8, can check out those. If you want, you don't have to, but I try to finance my my student exchange somehow, so that's why there's a little advertisement for the shop, but I hope that's okay. And yeah, I would say that's it for now. I will see you in the next video, hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.